everybody seems to know my story because Dr. Gulani is the one who gave me perfect vision. I never dreamt of such a thing. Years ago, 2 years ago, I had cataract surgery that did not go well. Obviously, I did not have that surgery here. It didn't go well, and although I wound up for a year and a half having a drawer full of glasses and a bag full of contact lenses, none of which worked, we came to Dr. Gulani. And as I said before, I have perfect vision now, which is hard for anybody to believe. Frank, on the other hand, was diagnosed with cataracts, but prior to that, in 1988, was diagnosed with glaucoma and was seen by an ophthalmologist every 4 months for all those years. But his vision seems to have started to fail about the beginning of this year.
At the time you got...
By the time mine was good.
When you badly, let's put it this way. You got a bad deal, and as such, my barometer goes up and down with you. Should we tell how old we are?
Well, we thought the reason that this ophthalmologist wasn't as interested in helping us was because we were both in our 80s, and I got the feeling that he thought any vision we had, after all, at our age, what could we expect? We did not get that impression here. Dr. Gulani said he wanted to give Frank back the vision that he had been missing all these years. And although he had very large, dense cataracts, Dr. Gulani took on the challenge, and Frank sees 20/20 now. He not only sees well, he sees clearly. The colors are all what everybody else has been seeing all this time.
It's like seeing Wizard of Oz for the first time. and except it's been, I call it miraculous because I don't have the ability to give the enjoyment I find myself in now with just my life, my wife. You make this woman well, and I'm thrilled. And
we are very blessed to have come to Dr. Gulani. People come from all over the world, every part of our country, to be patients here. And we are from this area, and we didn't know. So the fact that we're here now and want everyone to know that there is hope for not just good vision, but better vision than you could have dreamt of years ago. It's here. The staff, their caring, their expertise, the whole atmosphere here. And as I say to everybody, we are treated like family. I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that from the time I walked in October of this year, I was treated the way Dr. Gulani's mother would be treated if she walked in with my problem. And I can't imagine anywhere else where that would be the treatment.
As far as the doctor goes, I've never met a man so fair, certainly not at all a guy that puts himself in the spotlight, because it's not. He gets his spotlights, I think, from when he makes a change in her and a change in me. We go back, well, we've been married 62 years, And we know people when they're fake. And this guy's no fake, and it's not, it's unfortunate that people, sometimes I've heard when I talk to people and they say, oh yeah, that's Harry in the alley. And yeah, he'll make you feel good for 20 minutes and then go home over there and you beat your wife. Right? This is not the case. I think he's the most honorable man I've ever known right now.
Now, we came in a week ago and Frank had his eyes tested and he did really, really well. And at just one moment right before we were leaving, he said, Frank, you need to go out and get a new suit. Well, the next day we did exactly that and got 2 new suits. But it changed his outlook. It wasn't the suit. It was a whole new step in the right direction. And we will always thank Dr. Gulani for that because it was special. And just because we are in our 80s doesn't mean we don't want to have a new suit and a new outlook and new vision. And we've got that. One of the things that coming here as often as we have now, with both of us having our eyes done, is a sense of trust that if Dr. Gulani says we're going to do something, it gets done. And our children and our friends are all amazed at that sort of commitment that he makes to each and every patient, where each eye is treated individually and then the vision is blended at the end so that we can see well out of both eyes. And for us, it's a miracle.